Okay, Sneh, all yours.
थैंक यू। नमस्कार, मैं आपकी होस्ट स्नेह सनी आज लेके आई हूँ गायत्री कुलकर्णी पांडव को। इनके ये आयुर्वेदिक में स्पेशलाइज करती हैं, तो आज हम आयुर्वेदा इज वन ऑफ द ऑल्टरनेट वेज ऑफ डीलिंग विद द मेडिसिन। सो आज हम उनसे उनके बारे में पूछेंगे कि वो क्या करती हैं, व्हाट आयुर्वेदा इज ऑल अबाउट। शी इज बेस्ड इन बॉम्बे, मुंबई, बट लंदन इनका आना जाना रहता है। सो लंदन वालों को कोई परेशानी नहीं होगी। सो आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू से दैट इन द स्टार्टिंग वाली। गायत्री जी, वेलकम।
Yeah,
एंड आप थोड़ा कुछ अपने बारे में अपने शब्दों में कुछ बताइए प्लीज।
yes, sure. सबसे पहले मैं IIW को धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. And I will explain about myself that I'm practicing since last 28 years in Ayurveda field at Mumbai only. And I have my Panchakarma Detox Center here. Rather than that, I have a research center of hair and skin also at Mumbai. I have active researcher at Active Naturals UK, and I have my company registered Gaga International at London. So for this program, whatever the herbal supplements, food supplements we are using, so that I can make it available at London. That is the main point I have to explain.
ओके, उस डिटेल में बाद में जाएंगे। हम
कोई बात
पहले आपसे आपसे वो पता करना चाहेंगे कि आपने आयुर्वेदिक का डिग्री लिया कहाँ से लिया, मुंबई
या
में रफली किस एरिया में आपका क्लिनिक है, और आई मीन व्हाट देन वी विल स्लोली गो इनटू कि हाँ कौन से एलिमेंट्स आप डील करती हैं, कौन से स्पेशलाइजेशंस हैं, क्या क्या फैसिलिटीज हैं आपके सेंटर पे। सो विल गो स्लोली स्लोली।
कोई
सो
बात
आई वांट टू नो योर डिग्री, आई मीन व्हाट मेड यू गो इन आयुर्वेदा।
Yeah, actually, initially I was supposed to join allopathy, but the trend was there that allopathic medicines have so much side effects, and that converted my mind, and I joined Ayurveda course of almost 6 years. I have done my registrarship there in Podar Hospital, Mumbai, and now I've started my practice. From the next day, I've passed my degree. From that day, I'm practicing at Mumbai only. And my daughter is at London. She took nutrition and food management degree from West London University. And I've started my traveling to London. So, as you see, I just converted my mind to Ayurveda, as Ayurveda medicine has no any side effect, and we just find the root cause of that disease and we treat the patient, and that just impact on my mind, and I've started Ayurveda practice.
Okay, so when you say it look for the root cause and then it's sorted. So how do the root causes looked?
Yeah.
I mean, what is the process? I just want the. I mean, I go to Ayurvedic people all the time, so I have no issues. I have studied some Ayurveda as well, so not an issue. But for the layman, I really want कि उनको समझ आए कि where what Ayurveda actually really does. अगर मैं physician के पास गई हूँ या आपके पास आई हूँ, without telling my trouble, how are you gonna look, find
Yeah.
the.
Yeah, as in Ayurveda, the concept is Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. So the concept is Samadosha, Samagnischa. Samadhatu, Malakriya is the ideal body. So सब कुछ समा होना चाहिए बॉडी में. जो दोषा मैंने बोला, जो धातु है.
दोषास आपने बोला, बट दोषा आप पता किसे करेंगे? दिस इज व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू गेट एट.
Yeah. I'm explaining. I will just give me 2 minutes. So all should be in a balanced state. So what the main base of Ayurveda is depend on Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. So, for example, I will explain you just Vata Prakriti. So this my hand is shaking. So that means Vata is increased. It's very easy language to explain you Vata. Again, the temperature of my hand is very hot. That is Pitta Prakriti. Understood?
Do you check
Easy
Nadi?
language. Very
Do you
easy
do,
language to understood.
do you check Nadi?
Yes, Nadi Pariksha is also there. With that also, we can diagnose Vata Pitta Kapha.
Huh, because
And
that
that,
whenever I have gone to any Ayurvedic people, they
yes,
have always checked my nadi.
Nadi. Yeah, that is the basic, this thing, Pariksha. That is
Huh,
basic examination for Prakriti.
huh,
Then we just signifies the Prakriti of that patient, and accordingly we pacify all the doshas. Like if Pitta is increased, we will pacify that Pitta, and Vata and Pitta and Kapha will be in balance. Like that way we treat the patient.
right.
Okay. Here for today, my concept is also again you will say, I will just you will come that point. So I will
Huh,
not explain now. You
huh.
ask me questions so that I can answer you in a
So
better
okay.
manner.
So let's see. As a patient, मैं आपके पास आती हूँ. I come
Correct.
to you, and then you check my nadi, and you say तेरा pitta is very high. Okay,
Very
fine.
good.
Then
Yes.
um you said you have a panchkarma center.
Correct.
So does the people come and stay there for a few days, or is it just they come and go for a day treatment?
No, both the way we treat. Outpatients also have facility, and the patients can stay there and they can take the treatment. In
Okay.
Panchakarma, we have different types of treatment. For example, you asked me the pitta has increased. Now,
Hmm.
I have to advise you, you will take Virechan. Virechan is the, I will say, the treatment in which we give mild purgatives. And with that mild purgatives, all the toxins, I will say, that will
Ji.
come out. All the whatever imbalance doshas are come out, and the body will be pacifying all three doshas.
Okay.
The
One.
basic concept of Ayurveda is the alimentary canal. We act on alimentary canal, which starts from the mouth and ends from the anus till anus. So we, with the Snehan, that is massage. With the Snehan, it's very wonderful concept. With the Snehan, all doshas which are imbalanced will come in the central canal. And that will come out with the viration with mild purgative. It is the
Right. Okay. So आपने उसका पंचकर्मा कर दिया, उनकी बॉडी अलाइन हो गई, ठीक है?
correct.
And उसके बाद do you give advice to people कि ये खाना है, ये नहीं खाना, या ये combination of the foods खाना है? Do you, because otherwise people will go back to square one.
Obviously, because they have to improve their lifestyle.
Yeah.
If the lifestyle is something wrong, then again and again pitta dosha will increase. For example,
Of course.
vata dosha will again increase. Imbalance will be there. So
Ji.
to balance doshas, they have to improve their lifestyle. And
Yes.
if they will improve their lifestyle, automatically the whatever I said, that fit body with the all pacifying doshas and dhatus and everything will be on place. That is the concept.
Makes sense. So I understand कि you have specialization in the reversal of a certain lifestyle disorders, right? जिनको हम यहाँ medical terms में कहते हैं कि I mean they are there because they're not gonna go anywhere. So we get medication for it, for lifelong medications. Like it could be a thyroid, it could be a diabetes, it could be something else. So, but I understand you work on the reversal of those diseases. Am I right?
Correct.
Okay, so
What the reversal word means?
Huh.
I can say that if the patient is suffering from, for example, I will take diabetes, otherwise thyroid. So he is suffering from diabetes since last 10 years. So we just study the case and we give almost 11 to 12 months of time, months. He is suffering from 10 years and I will give 11 to 12 months of time to detox his body, to improve his lifestyle so that he can reach that level that if something happens, that means diabetic patient will go to somewhere, party or somewhere, and he will eat some sweets and the sugar has raised. So we will teach in the program that what he has to do to maintain his sugar level without taking any allopathy anti-diabetic drug, otherwise any thyroid drug or whatever. So this we will treat them to improve their lifestyle, what he has to do. The concept, the whole concept is like this.
So which are the ailments? Can we say which are the ailments roughly which you are very much interested in the reversals?
Yeah, can I share my slides so that I can explain it very easily and
Of course.
people can
Sure.
So here is our Dhanvantari god. I have written all my whatever I do here. Okay. So the concept is we have named it as Wellness Forever. So for all lifestyle disorder patients, mindset should be there. Because without their mindset, we cannot treat. If the patient has no mindset to treat himself, because he has to follow all the regulations or diet restrictions till that period, whatever we have, we will allot 11 months, 12 months, whatever, 24 months, he has to follow. So mindset.
One thing, why one thing. So अगर say it's 11-month thing, and that 11 month आप जिंदगी बिल्कुल halt नहीं कर सकते हैं क्योंकि people are working, people are traveling, people are socializing. So is your program is easy to handle?
Now we will teach them how they have to handle themselves. Because if the patient is working, we will teach them how they have to manage their diet. When they will work out, otherwise when at what time they can do exercise, which type of exercise they can do while working. That type of lifestyle he has to maintain whole life and he will be fit.
एक चीज गायत्री, एक चीज बोलूंगी, इंडिया में तो आपको आपकी बाई खाना बना के दे देगी, टिफिन में 4 चीजें बना के दे देगी.
यस.
वो यूके में थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होता है आपको. अगर मैंने
ना मुझे नहीं लगता है. Whatever lifestyle is, whatever the food patient is eating, we adjust that food and we improve lifestyle.
Great, because that's why I'm asking questions side by side कि जो viewers हैं, they can see how easy it becomes.
Yes, that is very necessary actually. The perfect question you asked.
Yeah.
Then real cause of diabetes and other lifestyle disorders. As earlier said, we should know what is the real cause. For example, I have my tonsillitis. Every day I'm eating ice cream and ice and all. So this is the root cause. I have to treat that root cause. If I will take everyday medicine, I will take antibiotics and the relief is not there, that will not work on. That is this thing. So real solution for diabetes cure will be correction of lifestyle. So again, my next slide is, okay. So what we want from our life? I think everybody will agree with this concept that more happiness, more energy, enthusiasm. Again, without diabetes and all lifestyle, that means lifestyle or disorder, that means thyroid, weight gain, PCOD, hypertension, hyperlipidemia, whatever the raised cholesterol. So we don't want all this in our life because we have to live freely. Again, zero stress. We don't want stress. We want relaxed life. And I think you will be agreed with this. And again, main point, we want to live 100 years. That is quality life without any hospital, without any ICU hospitalization. So for this purpose, we have to set our mind. So again, this is the small exercise for all the my friends who are attending the session. So write down your name, your current age. So then how many years you want to live? So I have written there, whatever, 75, 80, 90, earlier said 100, whatever years. Then how many years you want to live healthy life? Do you want to live your life with all the medications, anti-diabetics, all tablets with thyroid, PCOD? And now you think about your restrictions in life. You cannot eat whatever you want. If you are suppose,
Yeah, let's let's go a bit quicker on the restrictions because that will give us ample time to talk about things, you know.
yes. So restrictions means to enjoy your life. This is the point here mentioned. So weekend party is there. If you will start your dinner or whatever, and you will think, yeah, I'm a diabetic. I have thyroid. I cannot eat this. I cannot eat this. I have hyperlipidemia. I cannot eat this. So these are the instructions in daily, very simple restrictions. So now, very difficult to live with the physical burden. You must be agreed with this point. We cannot live with the burden. We want free life, happy life. And we don't want medicine also. We don't love medicine. But still, with all this lifestyle disorder, we carry our medicines to the office, whatever the working place, wherever we are traveling, everywhere we have to carry our medicines. Now, this is something who changed my mind also. One very important point I will mention that my father was suffering from diabetes since last 45 years. At the age of 35, he got diabetes. And from that day, he was under restrictions. And it just make me to think how I can work out to give him healthy and happy life. So here some personalities are there. Neil Bernard, for Gabriel, they have worked for it. They work for the reversal of diabetes. I will again and again, I will say reversal or cure. So they give vegan lifestyle. Again, they make the patients for fasting lifestyle, whatever, 12 hours, 14 hours, 16 hours. So I made this program in such a way that Ayurveda, again, naturopathy has included in this so that I can give my patients result. It's not only Ayurveda, it's not only naturopathy, and we will not stop any allopathy medicine in the starting of the program, because if we will stop the medicine in the starting, so sugar will rise. It is not the way. Simultaneously, we will give the patients treatment and decrease the dose of allopathy medicine. So here is the unlocking biggest myth behind diabetes and all lifestyle disorder. So here I have written that diabetes is not genetic disorder. Yes, it's dietary and lifestyle disorder. What happens? एक लड़की शादी करके अपने ससुराल जाती है तो अपने घर का, अपने मायके का लाइफस्टाइल वो ससुराल लेके जाती है. So that lifestyle will be followed by all her family members. So the genes are there, but the trigger is there. Trigger is there.
Gayatri, I don't think we should go for the whole of the slides because then we will.
No.
I want to have a more.
I will not go. I will not go. I will not go. Don't worry.
क्योंकि interaction करना बहुत जरूरी है.
Yeah, no problem. This is the just concept, because diabetes is not it is a chronic and progressive disorder. Everybody think like that. But I will say it is a curable.
It is curable. I have made my friends cure by just walking.
Correct. Very
When I
good.
just started, I made them walk 2 hours a day, and they
Wow.
don't have diabetes now. So no, I
Are,
did
are they without medicines?
without medicines.
Very good. So high blood sugar level means
हमारे तो गायत्री, you need to understand our doctors, GPs here. I work for the health services. हमारे doctors जब start होती है ना, जैसे cholesterol high हुआ या
I know.
diabetes start हुआ, they will not give you medication. They'll tell you to start walking and start
Yeah,
exercising.
I know, because I have taken so many sessions for London patients. Online sessions I have taken, so I know. Because and they do not just check the whatever reports are with them only. The patient doesn't have reports, and I know that everything. Don't worry. So high insulin resistance is a primary cause of all lifestyle disorder. Not only the levels are high. Again, lowering blood sugar is the goal of therapy? No. The focus should be reducing insulin resistance. And now I will come to the what is insulin resistance. This is the small just cell in our body. Here you can say this red are the insulin. This is the glucose. When we eat food, Sneha, this is all for not medicals.
It's
This is
Sneh, not
for
Sneha.
general all my friends, because I have to explain. So
Yeah,
when
but
we eat
Gayatri, let's just quickly finish off slides and let's talk, because लोगों को बात का समझना है, because people will understand what are the insulins of the people do understand that nowadays everything
this
is
is not
available.
this is insulin resistance.
Yes.
Yeah. So when we eat food, it converted into glucose, and what happens? Glucose travel with the insulin, but what happens with the toxins in our body? When the metabolism is there with the toxins in our body, the wall of the cells cannot allow this insulin and glucose to enter into the cell to convert into energy. So all lifestyle disorder patients will suffer from all lethargy and all. They will complain body pain, energy loss. So it is because the glucose is not converting into energy. Again, when we will check the blood, this insulin and glucose will be in the blood. So this is the main cause of all lifestyle disorder. Okay, my dear friends, this is the just small, this is the key, and we cannot use golden key to open the lock. We have to remove all the dust particles, all the toxins from that lock, and then insulin can enter into the cell. So what do you think? All GPs and all are giving allopathy medicines. Can they manage sugar levels, glucose levels? Then where it goes? कहाँ जाती है आपके ब्लड की शुगर जो है आपके बॉडी में, वो कहाँ जाती है? तो आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट. वो नैनो जो सेल्स अपने होते हैं बॉडी के, उसमें जाके वो बैठती है. शुगर इज इनसाइड ओनली योर बॉडी, it is not going out. So now I will come to my point. These all are complications that you all know with the diabetes. This is our concept of Ayurveda, that अस्या सुखम स्वप्न सुखम दधिनी ग्राम्योदकान उपरासे. ये जो है ये लाइफस्टाइल दिया है कि खाना खाने के बाद आप सोते हो, आप कैसे नॉनवेज खाते हो, कौन से लाइफस्टाइल से जीते हो, ये संस्कृत में दिया है. दैट वेरी शॉर्ट में उन्होंने दिया है ये. Okay, now you understood that the real cause of all lifestyle disorder and diabetes is nothing but insulin resistance. So how to work for this? As Sneha said, I will jump on the whatever the slides. So
No, it's just
the
because
roadmap of my treatment is treating sugar, blood pressure, nutrition supplements, drugs and insulin, symptoms chasing treatment. But root cause treatment is all changing your lifestyle with diet and eliminating need of medications. when we will decrease the dose of your allopathy medicine, that will be our success on your lifestyle disorders. And I have presented my research paper in Wonka 2 years back. I have my research for this. I have tried on lots of patients, I will say number of patients, and now they are living very healthy lifestyle. So what is this healthy lifestyle? That here I have written this diabetes minus A, that is minus MRP. D is start with pH correction, reduce your inflammation. All this is in our program. Enhance absorption, enhance nutrition with natural supplements and vegan raw diet. Again, we target root cause and not for the specific diseases. Then we provide education and conscious eating. Again, alkaline diet will be our main target. Stress release program we give, so that stress is the main cause of all lifestyle. All you know this concept better. When after the session, whenever I will get time to connect with you, I will explain in detail how the stress is related to all this lifestyle disorder. And for all this lifestyle disorder, we have to avoid MRPs. And now these MRPs are here on my slide. That is, M is milk and meat, R is refined food, P is packed food, S is salt and sugar. So avoiding all these MRPs, we can improve our lifestyle. So I will say, don't suffer and just recover. So this is short program. Whatever I explain, the number of years, we allot that number of months for the treatment. For example, if some patient is suffering from 10 years of thyroid, so we will allot 12 months to treat his thyroid. Again, you must be thinking the recovery is permanent or temporary. So I will again and again say that we will teach you how to spend, how to live your healthy life. When you are in a, sometimes it happens because we are social people. We go to parties, and when we eat something, whatever, which is not ideal in our diet, so what do you have to do? For example, I will explain. I have just explained that you have to avoid meat. And sometime in a month, one day you ate that. Now you have become vegan, but that was unavoidable. You have to eat. But when you will come back to your home, what precautions you have to take for that, that will not avoid any side effect on your body, that we will teach you in our program. This is very important, point. So you must have realized that there is more to learn when comes diabetes and again disorder management and reversal, because you have to learn all these things for yourself. I will be not there after completion of your program, but after completion, in which style you have to live your life, that will be in your hand, and that I'm going to teach you in whole program. So this healthy recovery knowledge will help you to get rid of the orbit and free yourself from 3 days, that is diabetes, drugs and disorder. Just I have gave the example of diabetes. I can add all lifestyle, because just now I explained that all lifestyle disorder are related to insulin resistance. So this is my concept. So may I have your permission to offer the solutions? How many of you want such recovery? Yes, I know everybody want this recovery. So I can give you all this recovery through my program, through my detox program. For that purpose, I visit London. I just one-to-one sessions will be there because I have to explain everything in a detail. Now the shortage of time is there, so I cannot explain all the things in my presentation. So everything will be there so that you will understand how to live long life and 100 years of fit life, I think. And this will be my just end. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Rashmi and Sneha, it was nice to talk to you. And
It's
I
not
will
Sneha,
I
it's
will
not
love to
It's not Sneha, it's Sneh.
Sneh. Okay, very good. I like the name. So I love to
Okay,
just
so can
ask them
you,
if you
right,
will
can
have
you,
any
can you
questions, you can ask me.
Okay, now can you take the slide away so we can talk? Because the slide is like it's okay in the classrooms, but it's more an interactive session. I want to talk about, I want people to listen about it. So we can talk, so you're basically a lifestyle coach, okay?
Correct.
That's
Correct.
what I understood from your slides. Rather than an Ayurvedic is just a part of it, but it's basically a life coach.
Yes.
Now, so what kind of ailments people have when they can come to you? Diabetes is one you said in there, but what are the other ones? Can we list them, please?
Yeah. Diabetes, hypertension, thyroid, PCOD, high cholesterol, again weight gain. Because weight gain, again, we will
They
find out
always
the
have
root cause.
underlying reason. Yeah.
Yeah.
Weight gain is always an underlying reason because either you're diabetic or you have,
We will just thyroid hai, PCOD hai. All the causes are there. Again, diabetes is there, weight gain. All causes we will treat. Automatically, weight gain will be there.
Right. So, so these are the basically main ailments. Now, when I was looking at your slides, you're talking about people becoming vegan, right?
Yeah.
What
Yeah.
happens if somebody doesn't want to go vegan?
Does it make difference? Because what happens again, if they want, they don't want to go for vegan, we can just give alternatives for them. For
Right.
everything, we have the solution. For house wife also and workaholic also, who
The
are
reason-
busy all the time, we can give the solutions.
Right. The reason why I'm saying that, because some people might get scared and say, I have to become vegan, so I'm not gonna. So that's the reason I'm clarifying those things कि लोगों को ये नहीं लगे कि मुझे vegan ही बनना पड़ेगा.
No, it's not compulsory.
So, right. So you do the consultation via the Zoom or that, or you do face-to-face consultation in London. So if you're gonna do face-to-face, then when is your next availability to coming here?
In the month of August, I will be coming before 24th August.
Okay. And how long you will be here so people have an
For
idea?
7 days, I will be there.
Right.
I will
Because
be informing. Most
yeah,
probably, it will
do
be
you
15th of August.
do you
Yeah,
realize August is a holiday and
just
people
I'm
might
saying.
be traveling?
Most probably, it will be 15th of August onwards, 1 week.
Fine. Okay. Because people then they can keep that
Yeah,
time
that's
away and say, and where would be in London, central London somewhere?
Yeah, central.
Okay. Now, दूसरा जब आपके पास बॉम्बे में अगर let's say I'm coming to Bombay now, say okay, I'll take a consultation with you. So I can make an appointment beforehand with you. And then so roughly how expensive is it on their pockets? I mean, there must be basic consultation charges, and then there's a program.
I will share this cost in Indian rupees.
Okay, that's fine.
It will be initially the detox. When patient visit us for 10 days, we give detox treatment for this. That will be for 10 days. And
10 days people are staying, people will be
without stay, I will be sharing the cost.
Okay.
Yeah, people will stay here only in Mumbai, and they will take 10 days detox, and after that maintenance will be by us.
Right.
The
Okay.
consulting charges will be not there after when they take the detox treatment package. Okay, they have to just pay only for detox food supplements. if they take that whole package.
Okay, okay,
If
okay.
they are at London on there, they also can take my package. That is also there. Again, same consulting charges are not there. Only they have to pay for the food supplements. Okay.
Right. So those are
And
food
in India, Mumbai, we are charging right now 45,000 for 10 days for detox program.
or detox program. Okay, perfect. That's big. So that people have an idea
Yeah,
what they're going for, और उनको मतलब समझ आनी चाहिए कि हम माइंड में कि हाँ इतना हमको करना
नहीं
है.
नहीं वो यहाँ आएंगे तो मोस्ट वेलकम
And
बिकॉज
then कि people do travel quite a lot. आजकल तो वर्ल्ड इतना छोटा हो गया है कि people are traveling a lot.
यस यस और मैं एक छोटा सा शेयर करना चाहूंगी कि बर्मिंगहम में एक सेंटर है, वहां पे भी मैं ये फैसिलिटी उनको दे सकती हूँ. 10 डेज डिटॉक्स वहां पे भी मैं दे सकती हूँ. वहां पे भी पंचकर्म सेंटर है जहां मैं विजिट करती हूँ बर्मिंगहम में.
Okay, but there's a plenty Panchakarma centers in London as well. I'm sure you can liaise with them and they can work out with you. Not an issue.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so when we say reversals, I just want to clarify for medical reasons and legal reasons as well.
Yes.
Let's say hypothetically, I am a thyroid patient. Let's say I don't have touchwood. I have no ailments, So say I'm a thyroid patient because I'm very active.
Great.
And so let's say I come for thyroid. Now you have to take thyroxine every morning. And I come to you in the starting, you said, okay, you don't have to take thyroid medicine. Thyroid medicine is supposed to be a lifetime medication as far the allopathy is concerned. Okay. Now, आप कह रहे हो कि so let's say मैंने 12 month के बाद they did a test again. Are you saying that it will be totally gone or totally reduced for GP to think and say, okay, I don't need to give the patient therapy, because the advice I want to give it to people, give whatever treatment you're taking, you must not leave your allopathic medication till your GP goes ahead and say, fine, you're perfectly fine to leave it.
करेक्ट. या
Because it's the legal.
थायराइड के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, थायराइड का टाइप जो है वो इन्वेस्टिगेट करते हैं. फर्स्ट पेशेंट को हम इन्वेस्टिगेशंस बताएंगे, उसमें थायराइड का जो ट्रीटेबल है वही थायराइड हम बोलेंगे कि दैट वी कैन क्यूर. इफ द थायराइड इज नॉट क्यूरेबल, there will be no false assurance.
So there's the hypothyroid.
Before that we will investigate patient. Investigations will be there, and after investigations we will come to that point that we can treat thyroid or not, so that there will be no false assurance. Then
Right.
One point for thyroid में हम explain कैसे करते हैं कि just if we want to cross the road, we will see on the right, we will see on our left. कितना टेंशन है उसमें. इतना छोटा सा टेंशन भी हमें बहुत सारे हार्मोन्स को अफेक्ट करता है. तो ऐसे डेली रूटीन में जो आप
थोड़े से
में हमारे हार्मोन्स कितने इफेक्ट होते हैं.
But you know that as per the medical practices, some stress is needed by the body. It's important.
That is necessary, but but that affects our body. Whether it is good secretions or bad, but it affects our hormones.
That I agree.
When they come to bad secretions, we have to treat them. So
Perfect.
in that way, just mindset will be there, and patient take treatment. I don't think they convince them to take all the treatment because they don't want to take everyday thyroid tablet, thyroxine every day. I got just irritated with the tablets. So since last 20 years, I'm taking. All the patients are like this with me. Okay.
So Gayatri, if people want to connect with you, I mean, of course, if they connect with me and Rashmi or our IIW platform, we will definitely be, passing your number. But if they want to connect with you, can you share your website and your at least a contact number at the moment so that, they can directly connect with you?
Yeah, my number is 919594799797. I will repeat, 919594799797. 9797. And my website is ayurspas.in.
Okay. And आपकी website पे there is a reviews from people.
Everything. Yeah,
from-
everything is there. Everything is
So
there.
that gives you know, the new
Good
patients
idea. Yeah.
fine.
They can write ayurspas, SAURS.in. Not
Okay.
apostrophe S, small s, apostrophe nahi hai.
Okay. So
Ayurspas.in is my website.
जी, तो अगर आप यहाँ से यूके से कॉल कर रहे हैं तो इन्होंने जो नंबर बोला है उसके आगे वी हैव टू 0091 ऐड करना होगा. सो
Correct.
प्लीज remember that, because otherwise say the number doesn't work. So 0091 and whatever number Gayatri
They can
is.
directly call me, no problem.
So that way, you know, you can and Gayatri is available on a WhatsApp, so that's not an issue because I have dealt with her on the WhatsApp, so that's okay. Gayatri, as a leaving remark, I mean, कुछ आप कहना चाहेंगे patients को, जो people, prospective patient or the general public who want to come and liaise with you?
पेशेंट्स को मैं यही मैसेज देना चाहती हूँ कि आप आपका लाइफ इंप्रूव करना चाहते हो, जैसे मैंने पहले दूसरे स्लाइड में बोला था, 100 years of fit life without any medications with your improved lifestyle. तो जरूर मुझे कांटेक्ट कीजिएगा. आई विल हेल्प इन दैट एंड I will just guide. There is no issue of time because by profession I'm a doctor 24/7. I'm available. You must be thinking Dr. Gayatri is in India. I'm at London. How she will manage? But I can manage each and every small things at London because I have my circle of doctors there. So they can immediately visit. You can also visit them in case I'm not there. So I can manage everything. So that just don't think like that. And if you want to live, you are healthier, fit, 100 years of life, just contact Dr. Gayatri. And I'm very happy to share all my research project with you all. And I will be very happy to serve you. And thank you.
That's so sweet of Gayatri. So that was Dr. Gayatri from Mumbai. And please connect with her if you need to have any lifestyle changes, or if you have chronic diseases and you're fed up with it, you must connect with her and see what solutions she offers you. Gayatri ji, thank you so much. Namaste for coming. And
you.
hopefully when you come in August, we'll touch base
Yes, yes.
and we'll
Sure.
talk.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.
Yeah.
Thank you to all the viewers of the IIW. नमस्ते आज के लिए, फिर दोबारा मिलेंगे. Goodbye.